Kai Kai.
2021 on January 3rd. And
Happy New Year! Happy New Year, guys!
was,
This BB Kawan, BB Ken Ken. Maraming bibig, ito tayo.
with all of our being and give God
New Year, bibig.
service.
Ako!
Don't have too many announcements at this point, but a couple of
And
them
here,
I do want
BB
to share.
Kaira. And here, BB
This
Ken
Tuesday
Ken.
evening at 6:30 p.m. I am starting a new
Don't cry, eh.
6-week
Ay, maghila.
Bible study class. This one is called
Balik na
Self
si Tati mo.
as Resistance.
Mag-drink.
It's a book by
Mag-inom mo sa
Walter
tubig.
Brueggemann. He
Oh,
has
kain ka na sa
wonderful
kababaan.
things out there. Wonderful if you could join us. If you'd like to be part of
Oh,
the
mag-drink
class,
siya sa mag-inom
want
sa
more
tubig ka.
details,
Wait for,
please let me know.
wait for,
Contact me,
magmana siya.
and we'll make sure you either get the book or get more
Yeah!
details. And
Pali-pali na, be. Atag-atag.
glad to include
Guys,
you in our class.
na si BB Ken Ken. Laro mo sa ako sa pants.
Also,
Ama, BB Ken Ken.
next
Ama,
Sunday,
BB Ken
I
Ken.
wanna give you a
I'm
heads
so
up.
cute. I'm so cute. Where's BB Kaira? Where's BB Kaira? So cute. So cute. Dami!
Love to see you tune in.
Dami!
This is brand new for all of us to be able to see how this works
Iya ka pala.
But it is an installation
Nandiyan,
since all
Mickey
five
Mouse.
who
Mickey Mouse silang ganahan, no?
have
Mickey
been
Mouse!
ordained before.
And hi, guys. Na.
We will
Ano, guys?
worship together and be able to share in the blessing of them leading our
Yeah.
church.
Yeah.
Let us worship
Yeah.
God.
This is my Lego. You deserve everybody can. Oh? Oh, don't crying. No, dili mag-cry. That is Lego. Okay, bye guys. Ayun. This is my Lego bros. Happy Halloween. Nag-vlog niya yung pakita niya. Lego. Okay guys. I love Lego. Lego. Please subscribe and like my video. And share. Maligo. Sana like kayo ha. Sana. Kung lang ako. Okay, 1,